Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make potato salad with peas and carrots. First, choose about 2 pounds of firm, medium-sized potatoes, like Yukon Golds or red potatoes. Wash them thoroughly and cut them into 1-inch cubes. Next, boil the potato cubes in salted water until they are tender but still hold their shape, which usually takes around 15 minutes. While the potatoes cook, prepare your peas and carrots. For the creamy dressing, combine 1 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and a pinch of salt and black pepper. You can also add 1 teaspoon of celery seed for extra flavor. Next, finely chop 1 stalk of celery and 1/4 of a red onion, then add them to the dressing mixture. Once the potatoes are cooled, gently fold them into the dressing along with your cooked peas and carrots. After mixing all the ingredients, cover the potato salad tightly and refrigerate it for a minimum of 2 hours. This crucial step allows all the delicious flavors to meld together beautifully and ensures the salad is perfectly chilled for serving. Before presenting your masterpiece, consider garnishing it with some fresh chopped parsley or dill for a touch of color and extra freshness. It truly enhances the overall appeal. Remember, you can always adjust the seasonings to suit your personal taste. Feel free to add more mustard, a dash of paprika, or even some hard-boiled eggs for a richer salad. Store any leftover potato salad in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. It often tastes even better the next day. Don't forget to check the description for a link to a fantastic book about money and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade potato salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.